Good evening, everybody. It certainly was a warm one across the area today. There's more heat like this and maybe even a little bit more by the time we get into Wednesday and Thursday. Quiet night out there in GR right now. It is possible later tonight after about 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, some of us pick up a shower or a rumble of thunder, and that'll go into the first part of Tuesday, and then Tuesday afternoon will be dry, and we'll scale back the temperatures just a little bit. Take a look at the tropical tracker. Of course, right up around in this location right now, what was Hurricane Marco is now Tropical Storm Marco. The rain amounts have been shifted down a little bit, about 2 to 4 inches of rain along the Gulf Coast in the southeast United States. But the bigger, stronger punch will come from the second tropical system here. This is Tropical Storm Laura. It's over western Cuba. Remember last night at this time, it was over eastern Cuba. So it's already moved that whole landmass there. Tropical storm, that means winds at 65 miles per hour. Right now with gusts up to around 70. These are watches, warnings, and advisories that are out. Watch the track of this thing as it goes through the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico. Of course, it's going to strengthen because those waters are around 88 degrees. I know. I've been down there swimming in that stuff in late August. It's very warm down there. This is expected to hit southwestern Louisiana as we get into probably Wednesday in the evening as a Category 2 hurricane. That would be at least 100 mile per hour winds. There'll be a storm surge. There'll be pounding erosional surf, but there may be 6 to 10 inches of rain and those winds that are at least 100 mile per hour with higher gusts. Then that'll eventually dwindle down in intensity, get picked up in the westerlies and then moved over Kentucky and Tennessee and then off into the mid-Atlantic by that time. So that's something we'll continue to watch. Thunderstorm development is possible overnight into tomorrow morning. I still think there'll be some areas that get missed, but the chance is there. The heat continues for us through midweek and cooler, more comfortable as we get into the weekend. Highs only in the upper 70s to around the 80-degree mark. I don't have anything on live Doppler radar right now, so the next several hours will be dry. Our temperatures, 71 in Fremont, 79 in Grand Rapids, still 80 in Kalamazoo. Most lows tonight will drop to around 69, 70 degrees. We pull out to a wider perspective. Look at it. Chicago, it's still 88 degrees in Chicago. It's all that concrete that they have with the buildings. It retains the heat, so it's warm out there. These were the high temperatures. Chicago, O'Hare made 97 degrees today. We made 91 in Grand Rapids. This heat is out there kind of festering, and it is going to move our way. I think it will be held down for us tomorrow into the upper 80s because of the extensive cloud cover, maybe a shower or storm to start. But as we get into Wednesday and Thursday, we're back to 90 degrees or better. Here's that small cluster of some showers and some thunderstorms kind of dropping this way. That may very well stay together, and we might see a shower or storm overnight, so that is in the forecast. After that chance tomorrow morning, we'll see some afternoon sunshine. Temperatures around 87 degrees. We'll have a north to northwest wind at about 5 to 10 miles per hour out on Lake Michigan tomorrow. Not a bad day to be out there. No small craft advisory, no beach hazard risk. Here are your Lake Michigan water temperatures. Waves running at about 1 to 2 feet tomorrow afternoon. Here's what it looks like on the weather map at 6 a.m. right along this frontal boundary, the focal point for shower thunderstorm into tomorrow morning. As we go Tuesday night into Wednesday, we're dry, but as this warm front lifts on through, Wednesday morning there could be an isolated storm. Once the warm front lifts through, the hot, humid air arrives, and we're in this warm sector out ahead of the next system, and that means temperatures in the low, maybe even the mid-90s with a heat index that goes into the mid to upper 90s to near 100 degrees on Wednesday and Thursday. So that's where we're going here over the next few days. 87 tomorrow. Again, maybe a shower or storm in the morning. Not for everybody, scattered about the area. 93 on Wednesday, maybe an isolated shower or storm in the morning, but the rest of the day is dry. 92 on Thursday. Friday, we scale the temperature back into the mid-80s with scattered showers and thunderstorms. This is our best chance of some widespread prolonged rain. Hopefully we see something. There could be a lingering shower early on Saturday. And look at this, comfortable temperatures. We're in the 70s for the weekend. And by next week, Monday, we're back around 80 degrees, which, by the way, is where we should be for this time of the year.
All right. Thank you, Kevin.